Developing an Android app using Android Studio, the official integrated development environment for Android, involves several key steps. Here's a concise guide. Set up Android Studio. Install Android Studio and the Android SDK on your computer. Ensure you have the latest updates and Android virtual devices for testing. Learn Java or Kotlin. Android apps are primarily developed in Java or Kotlin. Familiarize yourself with the language, including object-oriented programming concepts. Conceptualize your app. Define the purpose, features, and design of your app. Consider your target audience and the problem your app will solve. Design your app. Create the user interface using XML layouts and design tools within Android Studio. Write code. Develop your app's functionality using Java or Kotlin, accessing Android APIs and libraries through Android SDK. Testing. Test your app using Android emulators or physical devices. Debug and fix issues as they arise. Optimize performance. Enhance your app's performance by writing efficient code, managing resources, and using appropriate data structures. Security. Implement security measures to safeguard your app from vulnerabilities like data breaches or malicious code. Database integration. If your app requires data storage, integrate a local database or connect to a remote server using RESTful APIs. Deployment. Generate a signed APK and publish your app on the Google Play Store following Google's guidelines. Maintenance and updates. Regularly update your app to add features, fix bugs, and enhance the user experience. Monetization. Explore monetization options like ads, in-app purchases, or subscriptions if you intend to generate revenue from your app.